Okay, this is proof that sugar rushes exist. The kid just had his first smoothie, which had strawberries and bananas and a little juice and flax milk, and he's going off the deep end. Are you having a sugar rush? Oh my goodness. Do you want more? How do you say more in sign language? How do you sign more? Can you sign more? Do you need more sugar? Come on, you can do it. More. 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 Show me how to say more. 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 Hey, the sugar's gotten to my brain. I don't need any more. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye. All right. There's no doubt about it. Sugar makes you crazy.